Hello once again, I'm brschultz. Thank you for joining me. It's January 6th. Looks like the model missed the peak by about a half a business day. Unbelievable, right? Phenomenal by the model for a January 3rd peak plus or minus 1 day call. From way out in the past, you can go back and look at the thumbnails if you want of my previous videos to see how long I've been predicting that peak. Pretty phenomenal. So then after the January 10th 13 low, we're looking for a January 31st peak, and we'll be using the Federal Reserve algorithm that I built a long time ago. Thank you for joining me on my channel of brschultzSP500, where historical data determines the future. If you sincerely enjoy my work and want to donate, feel free to use the PayPal link down below this video in the YouTube channel, or you can scan these QR codes. Thank you for joining me today. This is the Federal Reserve algo that I built some time ago. Basically, it was one of the first models I was able to create that could call for peaks. And from the red wave, which is the wave that calls peaks, essentially you got a 1, 2, 3. Maybe the 3 is a 3 and a 4. Possibly, because it's kind of a wide 3. It's not a sharp, crisp turn. So 1, 2, 3 there, and that projects a peak out to roughly January 31st. So that's where I think the next peak in markets will be. And you got a 1, 2, 3, 4 going out for a major bottom around the 10th or 13th in markets. So that's where I expect the next low to be, and then markets to be strong sideways. I should say sideways to stronger into the end of January. Obviously, if I see something in the meantime, I'll make a new, more updated video, but nonetheless, these dates should hold. I mean, if I was going to make a new video, it would be something with a date in between the low on the 10th, 13th, and the peak on the 31st. So, but I think this could be like some kind of wave 3 up, possibly, depending on where we end the markets here today. This could be a wave 1 up in markets. Usually what happens is in my zigzag model, if markets go up and tag the 34 SMA or a little bit higher and then pull down, it's not enough to trigger the zigzag model to actually change directions. So this could be a head fake today. And again, the model is projecting like a peak on January 3rd, plus or minus a business day. So if the high holds from the first 4 trading hours of the day, that was pretty phenomenal to be off by less than 4 business hours. Some of you that believe that it's impossible to predict markets, well, hopefully you've seen enough now that you're starting to have your mind changed slightly, maybe even changed completely. I can't always nail it on the head, obviously exact minute or hour, but to be off by 3 or 4 hours is quite astounding. Business day hours, right? So, but obviously markets could pop back up late in the day and then prove me wrong that I'm not off by 3 or 4 hours. It could be off by a day, right? So we'll have to see how it changes out, but roughly midday here, that's how it's shaping out. But yeah, so looking for a major market low right around January 10th or 13th, and then another peak in the markets around January 31st. And today is January 6th, right? So I'm already predicting the end of the month action, right? So quite unbelievable that I hopefully that you find it unbelievable, I guess I should say, that I'm able to make video after video after video after video with highly valuable, highly remarkably accurate plus or minus 1 business day calls for market movement. So hopefully you're enjoying it. But again, a very end of month peak in markets. So it looks like maybe the hedge funds and big institutional money will be pumping tons of money at the end of the month and trying to get a peak either January 31st or February 1st, something like that. Thank you so much for your time. If you're enjoying my work, share it with others. It means a lot to me. The more word of mouth I can get around this, the better. Obviously, my channel will grow much faster if I get word of mouth. That's the old algorithm is just word of mouth. The subscriptions, once they keep going up, will be quite helpful to me. So, and then if you want to donate, feel free. I'm always up for some Michael Jordan swag. So I appreciate everyone that donates for a Gatorade or cigar or hoodie or whatever. So thank you so much, and hopefully you find this highly entertaining, highly valuable. Again, I am not a financial professional in any way, shape, or form. please speak with a licensed investment professional prior to trading. Thank you so much. Take care. And again, this model was also picking right around the March 21st, 24th bottom for markets for the major low with a zigzag, a 1, 2, 3 touch point, brschultzSP500 systematic way of timing markets with a zigzag. And then this is the macro peak for December of 2027. So in a nutshell, in under 10 minutes, maybe near 5 actually, you've got the complete rundown from the macro to the micro to the micro to the macro. All right, race fans, I'll catch you later. Bye. So hopefully you've enjoyed my show today. Warning, this is all forecast use only. Come here. You want to read this for me? What does that say? Forecast.
Forecast.
Use
only.
Only. Right. And what's this say?
Warning.
Disclaimer.
Disclaimer. I am not
a licensed investment professional. That's Latin. So say caveat emptor. Seek professional advice prior to investing. Bears risk
of
financial
loss.
Very good. And so basically this is saying if you ever try to invest in stocks or anything else, you could lose money. Warning, warning, warning. And all my graphs are subject to change. And not all the results are not always the same. Yeah. Thank you for reading for me.
You're welcome.
And that's it for today. I'm B.R. Schultz. Until next time, take care.